The 2025 Ford Mustang GT is turning heads with its bold new look, advanced technology, and a thrilling performance upgrade that promises to elevate the driving experience. This iconic muscle car has always been known for its power, style, and aggressive design, and the 2025 model is no exception. Ford has taken everything that fans love about the Mustang and cranked it up to 11. Under the hood, the 2025 Mustang GT features a 5.0-liter V8 engine that pushes the boundaries of performance. This powerhouse is capable of producing around 450 horsepower, allowing it to go from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 4 seconds. With an improved exhaust system and optimized fuel injection, the V8 engine gives the Mustang a more refined yet menacing growl. It's clear Ford is focused on providing an adrenaline-packed driving experience, whether you're on the open road or taking it for a spin at the track. One of the most exciting changes for 2025 is the introduction of the new 10-speed automatic transmission. This update gives the Mustang GT quicker shifts, improved efficiency, and an overall smoother driving experience. Of course, for purists who prefer a more hands-on approach, the 6-speed manual transmission is still available. Regardless of which transmission you choose, the Mustang's handling has been improved with a refined suspension system and upgraded brakes, ensuring that the power under the hood is matched by the car's road-holding capabilities. The exterior of the 2025 Mustang GT is designed to make a statement. Ford has modernized the muscle car's signature look with a more angular front fascia, a redesigned grille, and a sleek rear end. The iconic tri-bar taillights have been updated with a more dynamic and modern twist, while the wider stance gives the Mustang a more aggressive, athletic presence. Whether you're driving it during the day or at night, the Mustang GT is sure to attract attention. Inside, Ford has made significant strides in technology and comfort. The 2025 Mustang GT features a large, customizable digital display that replaces the traditional analog gauges. This screen provides real-time information on the car's performance, including power output, tire pressure, and lap times, which is perfect for performance enthusiasts. The dashboard now integrates a larger touchscreen with the latest Ford Sync system, which allows drivers to control entertainment, navigation, and climate settings with ease. The system is also compatible with both Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, ensuring that you stay connected while on the move. For the interior materials, Ford has focused on high-quality finishes, with leather upholstery available in a range of colors and trim options. The seats are comfortable and supportive, offering excellent lateral support for spirited driving, and the cabin remains quiet even at higher speeds, thanks to noise-reducing technologies. The 2025 Mustang GT also comes with a range of safety features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and a pre-collision assist system that helps keep drivers safe on the road. When it comes to driving dynamics, the Mustang GT remains a top contender in the muscle car category. The 2025 model has been refined to provide a better balance of comfort and performance. The new chassis tuning ensures that the car handles corners with more precision, while still offering the raw, thrilling acceleration that Mustang enthusiasts crave. Whether you're cruising down the highway or carving through winding backroads, the Mustang GT delivers a driving experience that's hard to match. For those who are looking for an even more extreme version of the 2025 Mustang GT, Ford offers the Performance Package. This option adds upgraded suspension components, larger brakes, and an enhanced rear axle ratio, making the Mustang even more capable on the track. It's the perfect choice for drivers who want a muscle car that's both street-friendly and track-ready. Overall, the 2025 Ford Mustang GT continues to build on the legendary nameplate's reputation for performance, style, and technology. Whether you're a longtime Mustang fan or a newcomer to the brand, this new model offers something for everyone. It's more powerful, more advanced, and more exciting than ever before, making it one of the most thrilling muscle cars on the market today.